Hello everyone, I'm Safana. Today I'm excited to talk to you about Angular, a powerful framework for building web application. Here what we will be covering in this presentation is about Angular. Let's start. What is an Angular? Angular is an open source web applications framework developed and maintained by Angular team at Google. It based on TypeScript and is widely used to building high performance scalable web applications. Moving on. Features of Angular. Angular comes with several key features that make it stand out. It uses a component based architecture, allowing us to create reusable and encapsulate components. It also offers powerful data binding routine and dependency injections, all of which contribute to building robust applications. Moving on. Benefits of using Angular. When we choose Angular, we gain benefits such as faster development due to its component-based structure. It's also ensure improved code quality through features like dependency injections and type safety. Additionally, Angular applications are highly performant and scalable thanks to its efficient architecture. Moving on. Use cases for Angular. Angular is incredibly versatile. It finds its places in various applications, including single page applications, progressive web applications, enterprise, enterprise solutions, e-commerce platforms, and content management system. Moving on. Getting started with Angular. To dive into Angular, you start by installing the Angular CLI with, with just a few commands like ngnew andngsave. You can create and preview your Angular projects. It provides a smooth development experience. Moving on. Components. Components are the building blocks of Angular applications. They encapsulate the template styles and logic into one cohesive unit. Creating a new it components is as simple as using the ng-generate components command. Moving on. Data binding. Data binding is a core concept in Angular. It ensures synchronizations between the data model and the user interface. We have one-way data binding where data moves from the component to the template, and two-way data binding which allows real-time updates in both directions. Moving on. Routine. Angular's powerful routine system enables seamless navigations between different views in your applications. Defining routes using router module is straightforward, making it easy to set up navigations path. Moving on. Dependency injections. Angular uses dependency injection to enhance testability and maintainability. By utilizing the inject table, decorate we can inject dependency into our components, making our code clean and modular. Moving on. Performance. Angular's performance is outstanding thanks to its components-based architecture, efficient change detections, and support for lazy loading. These techniques ensure that Angular applications are both responsive and scalable. Moving on. The Angular community. One of the strengths of Angular is its thriving community. There are an abundance of resources available from tutorial and article to active discussions, forums. This community supports is invaluable when you are learning and working with Angular. Moving on. Pop- Popular Angular libraries. Angular offers variety of libraries to extend its functionality. Some popular one of including Angular Material, Prime NG Bootstrap, and NGRX. These libraries provide read-made solution for UI components, state management, and more. Moving on. Angular best practices. It's essential to follow best practices when working with Angular. This including organization your code with component, using data binding effectively, implementing routing for navigations, utilization, dependency injections, and optimization performance through techniques like lazy loading. Going on. Angular in future. Looking ahead, Angular's features is bright. Upcoming features including a native compiler for improved performance, IV, LVY rendering engine for efficiency, and advancement in ng modules. The Angular CLI will also see updates, simplifying the development process further. Moving on, case studies. Several prominent companies, including Google, Microsoft, Nike, Upwork, and Forbes, ha- have successfully employed Angular to build their applications. These case studies highlight Angular's reliability and suitability for real world high demand scenarios. Moving on. Getting involved in the Angular community. Getting involved in the Angular community is an enriching experience, whether it's attending events, contributing to open source projects, creating contents, or providing support forums. Active participations enhance your skill and knowledge. Moving on. Resources. For those interested in diving deeper into Angular, there are extensive resources available. The official Angular documentations, online tutorials, books, and the supportive Angular community serve as well valuable learning assets. Moving on. In conclusions, Angular empowers developers to create robust, scalable, and high performance web applications. Its rich features, set strong community supports, and continuous evaluation make it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced developers. Thank you. Thank you for your time today and hope this overview of Angular has been insightful. Feel free, feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Happy coding.